Please subscribe for the tech channel, like it and share it. Model Formative Assessment 1, 2024-25, 7th class, English subject, marks 20. Read the following passage and answer the questions given below. I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer three questions. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? Who are the people I need most, and what affairs are the most important? Questions. Who does I refer to? Answer. I refers to the king. I refers to the king. What kind of a man was the hermit? Answer. A wise man. Third one. Why did the king want to know the answers from the hermit? Because the hermit was a wise man. Next, read the poem and answer the questions. He wore until other way. Questions. How does the squirrel's tail look? Answer. It looks like a question mark. It looks like a question mark. Next, how does the squirrel sit when he eats a nut? Answer. It sits straight. It sits straight. Vocabulary. Match items in list A with their meanings in list B. Wounded, wounded, severely injured. Awoke, got up from sleep. Forgive, pardon. Faithful, loyal. Pity, feel sorry for. Next, grammar. Complete these sentences by choosing the correct options that are given in brackets. First one, what is the right time to dash something? So begin. Begin. What is the right time to begin something? Next, second one, the hermit dash in a wood which he never left. Lives, lived. The hermit lives in a wood which he never left. Third one, here comes someone dash, said the hermit. Ran a running. Here comes someone running, said the hermit. Next question. The king turned around and saw a dash man running towards them. Bearded. Answer. The king turned around and saw a bearded man running towards them. Next one. The man felt better and dashed for something to drink. Asked. The man felt better and asked for something to drink. Next one. Your school is conducting games. Your school is conducting games and sports for the neighboring schools. Prepare a notice inviting the athletes to participate in the competition. Once again, your school is conducting games and sports for the neighboring schools. Prepare a notice inviting the athletes to participate in the competition. Notice games and sports meet. ZPHS, so our school name and place. Date, which is conducted. So you must write date. This is to inform to all the school managements that the sports meet for 2024 2025 will be conducted in our school for 2 days from so and so. There will be competitions in running, 200 meters, high jump, long jump, cricket, and kabaddi. The schools who want to participate give their particulars one day before the event with games they wish to participate. There will be food supply for the participants and the accompanied teacher. Contact us, headmaster, ZPHS, so a school name. This is the model paper, English paper, model formula assessment 1 for 7th class English subject. So students must see or observe this question paper and prepare answers themselves and ready to write exam. Please subscribe for the channel and like it and share it. Thank you.